Think you need thousands of dollars or an expensive course to start earning an online income? That belief keeps so many people stuck, watching others succeed and wondering if it's only possible for those with money, perfect health, or the right connections. Most programs are made for people in developed countries, people with savings, fast internet, and access to tools and coaching. But what if that's not your reality? What if you're starting from scratch, living in a developing country, or dealing with challenges others don't see? That's where I come in. My name is Janet. I've been working online since 2016, and I've been living in a developing country for almost 10 years. I'm a simple work-at-home mom with chronic health issues and neurodiversity, building income from my laptop with limited resources, a lot of learning, and by God's grace. I'm not a business guru or influencer. I'm just someone who found honest, practical ways to earn an online income without spending a fortune. In this video, I'm sharing 3 legit income streams that have worked for me: selling digital products, self-publishing books, and affiliate marketing. No hype, no fluff, just real options you can explore starting right where you are. One of my main sources of income is creating and selling digital products. These include educational printables, Christian printables, coloring pages, journals, clip art, and planners. I sell these on platforms like Creative Fabrica, TPT, Gumroad, and PayHip. These platforms are free or very low cost to start with. They take a small percentage of sales and you keep the rest. I personally use Canva and Affinity Designer to create most of my products. You don't need to be a professional designer, just a little creativity and a desire to serve your customers. My tip: start with one niche, like clip art or planners, then grow from there. Another great income stream for me is self-publishing books. I've published both ebooks and paperbacks using Amazon KDP, and Draft to Digital. This allows me to distribute books globally to platforms like Amazon, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and Apple Books. This has been a wonderful way to build passive income streams. I've published devotionals, journals, and coloring books. The good thing is there is no inventory, no shipping, and no upfront cost to publish. My tip: if you don't want to write a full book, start with a low content option, like a coloring book or a journal. Next is affiliate marketing, which is perfect if you don't want to create your own products right away. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product or service using a special link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase or signs up, you earn a commission. It's a great way to earn income without having to create or manage any products yourself. I promote tools and programs I trust, and I earn a commission when people buy through my links. Here are 2 free affiliate programs I personally use. Love Marketing Team. You get a free Shopify affiliate website with over 750 digital products ready to promote and earn commissions from each sale. Master Affiliate Profits, a training-based program that teaches affiliate marketing and pays recurring commissions. These are completely free to join, and I earn when someone buys or signs up using my link. My tip: if you are already blogging or posting on social media, adding affiliate links to helpful content can be a great way to earn extra income. So these are the 3 main ways I earn online with little to no startup cost: selling digital products, self-publishing books, and affiliate marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative business tips. I have also linked the tools and affiliate programs I use in the description below if you want to check them out and start your own journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.